How to delete Facebook page, remove page permanently on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Facebook page and remove your page permanently on Facebook. Without further ado, let's get started. So before we head on straight to the Facebook app, let's first visit the App Store over here, or if you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and search for Facebook. So what we're going to do here is to check if our Facebook is up to date. So to do that, let's focus on this button right here. If it says open like on this page, that means that your Facebook is currently up to date. However, if it shows an update button, that means that your Facebook is currently outdated and you have to update it simply by clicking on the update button. Once you have made sure that your Facebook is up to date, let's just head on and open Facebook app right over here. And from here, you should be at the home page and just click on this 3-bar line or the menu icon at the bottom right hand corner. And you should see the option that says pages or right on any of these icons. So if you don't see that, you can click on see more right here and you can just scroll through and find the pages option. So for me, it's right over here. So I'm just going to click on it. So for example, I want to delete this certain page permanently. I'm just going to click on it. And from here, click on this gear icon or the settings icon at the top right corner. And click on General right above the page info option. Click on that. And let's just scroll down a bit. And under the remove page section, you should see the option to permanently delete your Facebook page. So just click on that and click on delete page. So deleting a page is permanent, and once you delete a page, you will not be able to get it back. So you need to take note of this information. And if you want to really delete the page already, if you want to confirm your decision, just click on delete page once again. So that is how you can basically delete your Facebook page. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.